All right, if you've created a presentation in Gamma AI and want to export your slides, this tutorial will show you exactly how to do it step by step. First, log into Gamma and open the presentation you want to export. Before exporting, quickly review your slides. Yeah, make sure everything looks clean and ready. Now, look for the Export or Share button, usually at the top right, and click on it. You'll see different options like PDF or PowerPoint. Choose the format that fits your needs. Click Download, and your slides will be saved to your device. Yeah, it only takes a few seconds. You can also share your presentation using a link instead of downloading. This is great for teamwork. After downloading, open the file to make sure everything looks correct, especially formatting and images. Now you can use your slides anywhere, in meetings, classes, or even YouTube videos. And that's it. Exporting slides from Gamma AI is quick and simple. Once you do it once, you'll be able to do it anytime.